Multistep, requiring more than one step to complete. Multistep is a general term in math, meaning that two or more actions are required to solve or evaluate a given equation or expression. Most often, however, single step, two-step, three-step, and multi-step are used in conjunction with equation solving. As an example, given 2x equals 6, if we divide both sides of the equation by 2, the 2 cancels from the left side, isolating the x, and the 6 divides by 2 to yield 3, and we are left with x equals 3. While this seems like more than one step, teachers consider this a single-step equation, and dividing both sides by 2 is the single step required to solve that x equals 3. An example of a two-step equation would be 2x minus 4 equals 6. We need to add 4 to both sides, yielding 2x equals 10, and then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 5. A three-step equation might be 4x divided by 2 minus 4 equals 6. First divide the 4x by 2 and get 2x minus 4 equals 6. Then add 4 to both sides to get 2x equals 10. Then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 5. A multi-step equation would be even more than 3 steps and may involve combining like terms, executing the distributive property, etc. Antonyms: single step. Related words: one step, two step, three step, solve, evaluate, equation, expression.